What's going on, guys? This is my 2005 SL500. I believe it's a W230, and I am changing my mirror blinkers because it's originally from Mercedes. I bought it from the store, but they're cracked along here. And let me show you on this side. See if you can see it at all. It's cracked there, so it gets moisture in there. And whenever I car wash or get rained in, so went to the Mercedes store, ordered some new ones. Here's my old one. You can see I'm assuming it's from like rock chips and stuff from the road, but anyway, I couldn't figure out. I looked on YouTube everywhere, could not find a video on how to do this. So I started to mess with my side mirrors a little bit and figured out that the mirror that goes in here, that connects to the motor here, is just spring. These things compress. When you put it in there, it pops in. You just kind of pull it out. And I'll show you when I take off the other side, but right now I'm just doing this side. So what I had to do was take this cover off. There was, I think, let's see, yeah, 1, 2, 3 here. T10 screws I had to pull out. And then there was 3 screws on the motor here. 1, 2, and 3 back here. They had to pull off. And then this one, this little clip adapter here slides into this piece right here, like so. But that screw holds this in right here. So you can see that little hole right there was a screw from the inside here holding this up. So anyway, I'm going to attempt to put it back together now with my new one. So I'm pretty excited, and I'll keep the clips coming. Okay, so what you have to do is take the housing like this. You can see this, the housing. And this piece goes inside of here. And then it just falls back into place. Well, like so. Then you put the screws here and here. You can see that down here and up here. And it'll look like that, the new one. So they're actually held on by 2 little Phillips head screwdriver. 2 little screws, one up here and one down here. Holds on this turn signal piece. So, all right. Next you have to slide on your mirror cover, which kind of has to go at an angle like this. Make sure you push these wires back underneath here through this side. And it should just slide Slide in just like that. After you slide that in, I'm going to turn the car on for a second and make sure that the blinker works, which it does, so that's a plus. So next what you have to do is put the T10 screws back in. And there's one here. One up here, the top left. And then one right over here in the corner. All right, so next what you want to do is take your motor, put this clip and clip it right back in there. And then line it up with the screw holes on the back plate there. You want to make sure you use the longer silver T10 screws. That is what holds these in. And there is 3 of them. One on the top right, one on the bottom. And then one up here in the left-hand corner. So, as you can see here, let's see, there, down there, and then up here. Okay? And then there's 3 more little T10 screws, one here, and one over here that'll hold on the housing to the back bracket. And they are little black ones like this. Adjust, adjust. So, okay, those go there. Now let me mention that you don't need to over tighten these screws because, like I said, the 3, one top, one down here, and one over here. This one I over tightened a little bit, and you can see right there, snap the plastic piece. So you want to be careful not to over tighten it. All right, all there's left to do now is hook up the wires back to your mirrors, and I put a little blue tape here on the connector, so I knew which one was the top one. So when I hook them back up, you do it right. So that's for the heated element in the mirror, so when your windows get fogged up, or if it's cold out. Okay, so I'll put that back. Now it's all back in. This clips in. There's a little space here you need to push down before you can pull this one out, just so you know also. And I clipped in the top and bottom for the mirror heater. And then this is those spring-loaded things I was telling you about. And it'll just clip in here. We'll see how this goes. Push the mirror back all the way. There you go. Simple as that. And there's your new turn signal. Nice and unscratched and new. All right, I'll do the other side next. There you go, guys. Hope this helps somebody out there with a 2005 SL500. I guess might as well show it off while I got it out. I just picked this one up. It is a 05. It has just under 30,000 miles. Wood grain steering wheel, push button start, heated and cooled seats. It also has the Pulse, which is the massage seats, and the panoramic sunroof, which you obviously can't tell because I have the roof down, but it's one of my favorite options. I love that. So that's it. It's my baby. This helped somebody. If you did, give me a like or a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.